Hello guys, it's good to see you again. I know it's been a while since I've had any content up on the channel, but I've been really eager to get out and get uploading again. So I've just come out to a spot that I've been to in one of my previous videos. Last time I was here it was quite rough weather and stormy and rainy, so I'm hoping for something a little bit calmer tonight. I am fairly local, as you can probably see. Just behind me I've got Roseberry Topping just behind me, so some folks might be able to sort of deduct where I am tonight, but yeah, this is one of my favourite spots. It's usually quite quiet and not too many people around, so yeah, looking forward to it. Probably about halfway up to where I'm planning on going, so probably put the camera away and check back in with you guys when I get up there. So yeah, I'll catch you shortly, guys. So I've just got to the spot that I was planning on camping at, and I think I might have to make a decision to go somewhere else. I don't like the look of these two trees. You can see, looks like we must have had some wind recently, and the two of them have just fallen over in the wind, and it looks like they're only being propped up by these other trees here. So yeah, I don't fancy taking the risk and camping there and having something follow me in the middle of the night. So yeah, I think I might just heading over that way there. I'm just on the outskirts of this forest. Just got the moors just behind me, so I'm going to head over onto the moors and see if there's anything over that way that'll do for the night. So I've just managed to find this spot here. Quite happy with it, to be honest. It's got a nice little view looking out over Cleveland. You can see Roseberry Topping just behind me, and it's the flattest bit of grass that I could find. It's a little bit overgrown, but should be able to make it work and last for the night. So yeah, just going to get unpacked, get the tent out, and get set up ready for the night. So that's the tent all set up there. It's not an ideal pitch, but it'll do for the night. We haven't forecast any major wind or anything overnight, so it should be alright. It's not a bad view though. You see the sun just coming down over Teesside there. Lovely. the fly on the wrong way around. So the door zips on this side, but to be honest I can't be bothered doing it now, so yeah, I'm starting to run out of daylight, so I'm just gonna think about getting some tea on the go now. I've not got anything too fancy. I've got some of these freeze-dried noodles and some of this fake steak stuff, so I'll get that fried up in the pan and then get the noodles on the go and then sit and enjoy those for a bit while I just enjoy the rest of the sunset that we've got at the moment. Looks alright, that. So that's me retreated to the tent for the night, I think. Just been sat outside there, just enjoying the last bits of the sunset that we've had tonight. It's been a really lovely afternoon. I've enjoyed it, just taking it at my own pace. But yeah, with it being winter now, it is starting to get darker nights and it's getting cold now. So yeah, just retreat back to the tent and keep myself warm for the night, I think. Chances are I'll probably just be packing straight away in the morning, straight back to the car. So there's not much chance of me doing any more filming really, so just thought I'd say thanks to everyone for watching, and until the next one, I hope everyone takes care of themselves, and as always, really appreciate it. So yeah, see you later guys.